Factors influencing resource availability. General. These sectors have been monetized. The people population increasing exponentially, and the agriculture consists largely of the substances farming and animal husbandry. Mountains dominate the terrain and make the building roads and infrastructure difficult to expensive. Human population. The current population growth is about 2.9 percentage. That's per annum. It is quite high. It raises the serious concern about the sustainability of forest resources because many studies in different parts of the world have established a negative relationship between the rate of population growth and the deforestation, ecological degradation, and the loss of residency of natural resource systems. There are varying estimations of population and its growth. Agriculture. Agriculture is directly compound with the forest for land to feed the growing population. The area under cultivation is increasing. More sustainable land already is agriculture, and the potential and additional allocations to agriculture is limited due to the rugged terrain. The cropping pattern varies across the country. Forests are the parts of the botanist farming system and helps to the conserve agriculture productivity, market opportunities, and the providing economic incentives for change in land use. For example, the improved export market is increasing the demand of additional and rises the more horticulture crops such as apples, orange, and cardamom, and it is has lead to the enrichment to forest areas. Livestock. Dependency of forests for grazing. Livestock adversely affects forests. About 90% of the rural households own livestock. Livestock are an integral part of the farming system and support agriculture through the provision of manure and fertilizer throughout power. In absence of reliable data, there are doubts about the declining trend and population tend to livestock. These these size of least and depends upon the livestock owned and herder and ecological efficiency of the pasture. Human development. The state of natural resources conservation is generally through be positively related to the level of human development. High investment priority and ensure the basic access to health, education, and essential social services may considered as a long-term positive investment for natural resource and conservation. Economic development. Unlike the human development, economic development is generally correlated with decline of natural diseases. The rapid economic development has transformed many of its social values and institutions, including people's traditional perception about forests. The tradition of perception was community ownership with the ultimate access to the forest, firewood, timber, and food. The contrast with modern perception of government ownership with limited access, source of monetary income, and potential for other forms to economic data use. Biological factor. Forest cover, density, quality, production, demand for the products and services. Other factors influencing the forest indirectly through affecting sectors such as agriculture and industry. Some factors that affect ecological processes in forest and biological, such as introduced species or trees, while other physical and such as fire, soil, salinity, or extreme weather events. Climatic factor. Some of the largest receivers are Amazon and the Greek lakes. The spring and ice atom mountains melts the water flow in downhill into Amazon. There it comes together with abundant rainfall, such abundance of water partially thanks to climate of these two regions. That is climatic factor. Thank you.